If Gmail is giving you an error when sending a message, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 quick fixes that solve the problem for most people. We're going to clear your browser cache and cookies, restart the browser properly, and disable any extensions that may be blocking Gmail. This is a simple step-by-step guide, so follow along, and by the end, you should be able to send emails normally again. And before we get started, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most common fixes when Gmail stops sending messages or shows an error while you try to send an email. Start by opening your browser, then click the 3-dot menu in the top corner. In Chrome, that's the menu, and in other browsers like Edge or Firefox, you'll see a similar menu option. From there, look for Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. Once that window opens, make sure you select Cookies and Other Site Data, and also select Cached Images and Files. These 2 options are important because old or corrupted browser data can prevent Gmail from working correctly. After selecting them, choose the time range you want to clear. If you're not sure, you can select all time for the most complete reset, then click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. Once that's done, the next step is to restart your browser completely. This part matters because the browser may still be holding onto old Gmail sessions or broken page data in memory, so close Chrome, Edge, or Firefox fully, not just the current tab, but the entire browser window. If needed, make sure it's completely shut down from the taskbar or app switcher as well. After that, reopen the browser and go back to Gmail. Sign in again if prompted, then try sending your message one more time. In many cases, just clearing the cache and restarting the browser is enough to fix the Gmail sending error right away. If the problem still isn't fixed, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with Gmail, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security extensions. To test this, click the browser menu again, then go to Extensions and open Manage Extensions. You'll see a list of all installed extensions in your browser. Look for anything related to ad blocking, tracking protection, privacy filtering, or email security. Turn those extensions off temporarily, then return to Gmail and try sending the message again. If Gmail works after disabling an extension, then you've found the cause. You can keep that extension off while using Gmail or adjust its settings so it doesn't block Gmail features. If you want to be extra careful, you can turn off extensions one by one instead of disabling them all at once. That way, if the error disappears, you'll know exactly which extension is causing the issue. This is especially useful if you have multiple privacy or security add-ons installed. Sometimes just one extension is enough to break Gmail's send button, attachment upload, or message delivery process. So to recap, if Gmail shows an error when sending a message, first clear your cache and cookies, then restart the browser completely, and finally disable any conflicting extensions. These 3 steps solve a lot of Gmail issues without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.